Before engines reached the power they do today, before factories echoed with massive machinery, before jet aircraft, mining equipment, and industrial turbines transformed modern industry, people underestimated one invisible danger: noise. Unlike heat or flames, excessive sound leaves no visible mark. Yet day after day, year after year, it can permanently damage one of the body's most delicate systems, human hearing. Protecting against that invisible threat led engineers to develop increasingly advanced safety equipment. Among the most specialized is the hearing protection hood. Designed for environments where ordinary earplugs or earmuffs may not be enough, these hoods combine acoustic protection with shielding for the head, neck, and sometimes the face. Their purpose is simple: reduce harmful noise, improve safety, allow workers to perform demanding tasks without sacrificing one of their most valuable senses. The history of hearing protection began long before modern industry. Blacksmiths, stonecutters, and metalworkers often spent years surrounded by loud, repetitive sounds. Although they recognized that hearing declined with age, few understood that excessive noise itself was responsible. There was little effective protection. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. Steam engines, mechanical presses, textile mills, steel foundries, factories became dramatically louder than anything previous generations had experienced. Workers often spent 12 hours or more each day surrounded by continuous mechanical noise. Many developed permanent hearing loss without realizing the damage until years later. Scientific research during the 20th century established a clear connection between prolonged exposure to high sound levels and irreversible hearing damage. Governments introduced workplace safety regulations. Industries responded by developing specialized hearing protection. Early solutions focused on simple earplugs and earmuffs. While effective in many situations, certain workplaces demanded additional protection. Aircraft maintenance crews worked beside powerful jet engines. Mining personnel operated heavy drilling equipment. Military technicians serviced armored vehicles and aircraft. Industrial operators worked around turbines, compressors, and high-pressure systems. These environments required equipment that protected more than just the ears. Engineers developed hearing protection hoods to address these challenges. The hood covered the head and neck while integrating high-performance earmuffs or communication headsets. Some models incorporated face shields to guard against dust, sparks, debris, or wind. Others included flame-resistant materials for hazardous industrial settings. Every feature served a practical purpose. Acoustic engineering became central to the design. Protective earmuffs use carefully shaped ear cups filled with sound-absorbing foam. The outer shell reflects part of the incoming sound energy. Internal materials absorb and dissipate the remainder. Soft sealing cushions create an effective barrier around the ears, preventing sound leakage. The hood itself contributes additional noise reduction by covering exposed areas around the head and reducing indirect sound paths. Modern materials dramatically improved performance. High-density acoustic foams, composite polymers, flame-resistant aramid fibers, moisture-resistant fabrics, impact-resistant face shields. Each material must balance durability, comfort, and protection. Weight also matters. Workers may wear protective equipment for many hours. Even small reductions in weight significantly improve comfort and reduce fatigue. One of the greatest technological advances has been active hearing protection. Unlike passive systems that simply block sound, electronic hearing protection can distinguish between harmful and safe sounds. Microphones capture external audio. Electronic processors instantly reduce dangerous noise while allowing speech, alarms, or radio communication to remain audible. Some systems react within milliseconds. This technology allows workers to remain protected without becoming isolated from their surroundings. Psychology plays an important role as well. Excessive noise contributes not only to hearing damage but also to fatigue, stress, reduced concentration, and communication errors. By lowering noise exposure, hearing protection hoods help workers remain more focused during complex tasks. Clear communication improves teamwork. Reduced stress improves decision-making. Protection extends beyond the ears alone. Modern safety standards require extensive testing. Equipment undergoes acoustic attenuation measurements, impact resistance evaluations, flame testing, environmental durability assessments, and ergonomic trials. Manufacturers must demonstrate consistent performance under demanding workplace conditions before equipment enters service. Applications continue expanding. Aircraft maintenance technicians wear hearing protection hoods while inspecting engines. Industrial workers use them around turbines and heavy compressors. Military personnel rely on specialized versions during vehicle maintenance and flight operations. Emergency response teams may combine hearing protection with respiratory and head protection depending on operational requirements. Future innovation continues at an impressive pace. Smart hearing protection systems now monitor environmental noise in real time. Wireless communication improves coordination among teams. Integrated sensors can detect equipment status, worker movement, and environmental hazards. Artificial intelligence may eventually optimize sound filtering automatically based on surrounding conditions. Sustainability has also become increasingly important. Manufacturers are developing longer-lasting materials, replaceable components, and recyclable plastics to reduce waste without compromising safety. The goal remains unchanged: protect people while preserving valuable resources. Perhaps that is what makes the hearing protection hood so remarkable. It protects against something people cannot see. Noise has no shape, no color, no warning label, yet its effects can last a lifetime. The hearing protection hood stands as a reminder that modern engineering is not only about building bigger machines. It is also about protecting the people who operate them. From aircraft hangars to manufacturing plants, mining operations, power stations, military facilities, and industrial sites around the world, this specialized equipment quietly performs one essential task: preserving the gift of hearing. Because once hearing is lost, no machine can fully restore what silence has taken away. Sometimes, the greatest achievements in engineering are the ones that prevent harm before it ever begins.